But yeah, so this is the Anew by DelivHer super absorbent menstrual disc that's gonna change your life. So if you sneeze and it feels like you birthed a jellyfish, Anew is for you. I built the product I needed so I could stop scanning rooms for restrooms, carrying backup clothes, planning my days around my period, ruining sheets, ruining clothes, canceling events, missing out on my social life. Like, if you want to regain your freedom, your confidence, take your life back from your period, Anew is for you.